What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently we're up 12%, sitting at $1.26, big pump after the FOMC announcement. Sitting market cap of 10.78 billion, 24-hour volume 963 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, this is where I do the majority of my trading up to 8K in bonuses. You can check out my full-length tutorial or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Sign up to either exchange, email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Matic. So we retested this bull flag and we bounced after the FOMC announcement. So your next major resistance is up at about $1.30. As you can see, previous level of support. We're still printing divergences. These ones on the daily can take time to play out, but as you can see, as we're pushing higher, we are still creating lower highs. Money is still flowing out. So the wave count that I'm now looking at potentially is that we're still pushing up in a wave 5. So what you have here, wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback. This was a wave 3, wave 4, and now you're looking to push up in a wave 5. So the technical target is up at about $1.33, which lines up with that level of resistance. That's what I think is the likely scenario because it lines up with the Bitcoin wave count. Now we have broken the wave 3 high. So it can turn around at any time, but as of right now, you can see a nice wave 1, wave 2. There's your wave 3. You see a wave 4 pullback and probably push up into 5. That may take you up to that $1.33 target before potentially putting in a larger wave 2 pullback for the price of Matic. That's what I'm looking at here. Looking at Ethereum, there's two scenarios, either an overshooting wave B and then you come down in a wave C, or we're still looking to push up in a wave 5, and what you'd be looking at is we came down in a wave A, this was a wave B, and we had a wave C, ABC flat right here, and now you're pushing up. So you're looking for a 5-wave move. So you have a wave 1, wave 2, that's a wave 3, you'd see a wave 4 pullback and push up in a wave 5 to complete that wave 5 to the upside, which would make sense because that would be the completion of a wave 1, which would be the same thing that Matic is doing. So what you would be looking at here for ETH is that we pushed up in a wave 1 and then you'd see a wave 2 pullback ideally. Hold that wave 2 and start to push up in a wave 3 of a potential bull market. Now what you would want to see is a retest of that trend line. I do think that would be likely in a wave 2 pullback. Of course, there is still the bearish scenario, Bitcoin coming down to 12K, and then that would be erased. But once we do start to see a retracement, we can give a wave 2 pullback zone. And if we break the 0.786, you guys know if you've been watching for a while, that means it's unlikely it's a wave 2. So as you can see, money is flowing out steadily. We're losing strength as price is pushing a little bit higher. I talked about Bitcoin and Ethereum. If they do push a little bit higher, you're most likely see it just trickle a little bit higher before rolling over. I still think that's likely, but if we were to see an impulsive breakout to the upside, as you can see, we have a nice little bull pennant, then your next resistance is up here at about 1785, and then you're looking at about 1928 for the price of Ethereum. All right, gang, so just a quick little update. Bull flag, technical target all the way up at $1.47, but I think it's likely we find some strong resistance and potentially get rejected by $1.30 or a little bit earlier. But we'll have to see how it plays out. Anything can happen in the crypto space, so if we break $1.30, your next resistance is up here at $1.40. And your technical target for a wave 5 is at $1.33. So that's it for this one. Sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Takes 2 seconds. Email me your sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news, which I update regularly. You can see how the members are doing with their trades. They like to post their profits in here. Mahado all plays, same price as the Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal, $10 a month, 10 USD. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.